do not count hours. If I was using if I was using a different software, I can't think of the name of the software. That's going to bother me now that I can't think of that. But there is a software that allows you to keep track of the hours. Flag app has been following. Hey, where's followage? I guess I'd have to set that up. I don't think I've seen you do the pencil lines. No, I do not. You do not see me do pencil lines because I do them off stream. First of all, it's easier to stream while I'm inking, while I'm just tracing something, in essence. I can hold a conversation. I used to do that on stream when we first met, but I've stopped doing that because it's very difficult to hold a conversation, and there's a lot of thinking when it comes to the pencil lines. That's a shoulder. That's what it is. Not that there's a lot. It is still a skill to do the inking, as I have learned. Sometimes it's hard enough for me to decipher my own lines that I have drawn myself. Just imagine trying to figure out someone else's lines that they had drawn. Tick, 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 tick. These little lines are called tick lines. Makes me think of a time bomb, ticking time bomb. Yes, thank you. Throw these lines. I'm going to throw these lines instead of putting them down. Throwing lines instead of placing the lines. There we go. Do the forearm. Alright, what else is going on today? What else is so special about today? Not only is it Tuesday, December 12th, 2023, not only is it Health Coverage Day. Make sure you get your health coverage. Not only is it Day of Neutrality, I'm not going to tell you how I feel about that. Not only is it Ding-a-ling Day. Every time you hear a bell ring, a ding-a-ling gets its wings. Not only is it's Ambrosia Day. Wow. Ambrosia. I don't think I've had ambrosia. There's always some kind of food related to the day. There's always some kind of special food. All the ambrosia people came together and said, you know what, we need a day. We need a day for everybody to eat ambrosia. We need more people to eat our ambrosia. Spent a lot of time on these hands the other day on stream. practically like drawing, practically like penciling. Oh, hey, who's there? Somebody just need 5 more. Thank you for the thank you for using my emotes. So that's what they look like on my stream. I have the Christmas emotes. Oh, by the way, speaking of emotes, I tried to subscribe to your stream earlier today, but for some reason it was not allowing me. There was nothing wrong with my credit card. There's nothing wrong with my... Maybe I shouldn't tell you in advance. Maybe I should allow you to be surprised. Nope, 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 nope. Don't like it. Do not like it. Fingernails are, what's the word? Trapezoid. Fingernails are trapezoids. It's a trap. Things get sucked into his hands, sucked into the nuances of the hands. Sunshine-esque games! Flats says, weird, I've had my credit card company shut me down from Twitch subs. Wow, really? Credit card company shut me down from Twitch subs a couple times. Okay then. Alright then. Hello, Sunshine-esque games. I thought, how cool artists draw by looking at shapes. Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, it's all about shapes. Some, like the head, is a combination of a whole bunch of shapes, but it's still all about shapes.